back to Spring to Math 8. I'm Mr. Burns. Today's lesson is about negative and positive slopes. Let's go ahead and take a look. First, we should know some things about slope. In mathematics, the term slope refers to the steepness of the line. Slope, you may have also noticed, is referred to as rise over run. Now, there's a very specific formula for slope, finding slope, but we're going to talk about that in a later chapter. But today, we're just going to focus on rise over run. And the slope is a ratio of the up and down rise of a line to its horizontal left or right part of the line. So there we get our rise over run. To help us further understand this ratio, let's take a look at the image below. So we've made a graph for us. You can see here that this is the line AB. Okay? Now, you can see that the first yellow and red dot, which is A, located at the location or coordinate 3, 2, crosses exactly in the corner of one of the boxes. And the coordinate B, also in red and yellow, is listed as the coordinate 9, 7. Now, this is the other spot where this line crosses exactly in the corner of one of the boxes on the graph. So now we have our two coordinates we're going to be working with. All we need to do is count how many units we go up and then over to the right to get our slope for this line. So in this case, we go up 5 units, and then we go to the right 6 units. So we can say that our rise over run is 5 over 6, or the slope of this particular graph in this line has a slope of 5 over 6. Now, we're going to talk about several different types of slope right now. The first one we're going to talk about is a positive slope. This is a line that slants up from right to left, and that is why it's called a positive slope. The x values are getting bigger as the y values are getting bigger. Negative slope looks pretty much the opposite of positive slope. It's a line that slants down from left to right, creating what is called the negative slope. Okay? Now, here's a tricky one. This is called the slope of a horizontal line. This line is running from left to right or right to left. Now, this line has a very special type of slope, and the slope is actually 0 in this case. There is no rise, there is no run. The line is simply running from left to right, so therefore the slope is 0. So anytime you see a line that looks like this, we should automatically know that the slope is 0. All right, the slope of a vertical line. This is the line that goes up and down along the y-axis. These lines have an undefined slope. We can see here that rise over run, n over 0, creates what we call the undefined type of slope. So anytime we see this line, we should know that it is undefined. That's it for today. I hope you paid attention and learned about the different types of slope, especially the positive and negative ones. Catch you next time.